Okay, so this is open. And Peyton is trying to kill us. This is terrifying.
She's not there anymore.
Run. She is out there.
Let me in. Come that way.
Go, run, run, run. Laura, stop. It's not infection. She's trying to kill us. It's like that last time when she was throwing things at us. Here. Let go.
She got your wand, didn't she?
Laura, come on.
She broke your wand.
Peyton, go inside and tell my grandma that you just did that.
Just did what?
You just threw that at the wall and then you broke it.
Well, I wanted to stop being that.
Then why were you chasing us? You could have just said that you were stopped. If you didn't throw that at us, then we would believe you, but we don't.
Okay.
Go tell my grandma that you just broke that and bring it with you.
Okay.
Come on.
And then we'll play this without the wand.
You need to stop throwing things. You've already broken tons of stuff. Okay. Now we should run. She's gonna attack us for doing that. Okay. Whew. Huh? No. Peyton.
Sorry.
That's why you gotta have a talk with Peyton not to throw things around. She broke the dream house door, or your guys' dream house door, and now she broke the wand. That's mean.
Now that part of video will teach you about a lesson. Not throw things or else
You'll break them and get in trouble.
you'll break them.
What is that?
What's what?
Do you guys hear that knocking? Oh, it's them working on the basement. Okay.
Okay. Get out. There's a flood down there. Don't worry.
All right.
All right. I told your Korean and she said, and she told me to throw it away.
Run.
Now she's crying because she's it.
I never said she was it. I said run. Peyton, I never said you were it. Oh. Laura, what's wrong?
Oh, this is our wand.
Huh?
It's our wand.
It's not her wand, it's Grandma's. Laura, come here.
Look, come here.
Come on. Okay, if you're gonna be angry.
Making a video here that we're gonna post on YouTube.
Are we gonna? Yeah. Oh gosh, this is slippery. Well,
I made this video that every time we ran,
we never said you were it. We never said you were it. Okay, then don't come out here screaming at us because we didn't do anything. We never said you were it. All I said was run. Okay. Okay.
we're gonna make a video ourselves.
Alrighty. So, Let's plan a prank. Okay? A perfect prank. On. Should we do it with Peyton, Laura, or people inside?
People inside.
Let's do it. All three of them. All three
Sure.
of those people. So we could go up behind Peyton and scare her. Like I could distract her, and you could go up behind her and scare her. Want to do that?
I think I'll. You know what I want to do? Nightmare Bendy face, Inky Bendy's
Well,
face.
we don't have paper.
I know. I'm just gotta do this.
Oh.
Oh, she already had a break. She already had a break.
Peyton, didn't you say you wanted us to leave you alone?
I just want to be. I just want
No.
a different game.
No.
I want to have one of those.
Since you just threw that tennis ball at us, run! Dude, run. Okay. Laura, what's wrong? Laura, what's wrong? What's wrong? Laura, what's wrong? You want to get in? Here. There you go. Okay, there we go. We've helped one happy soul today. One very sad soul, actually, because she was sad.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. You know, well, the video we just learned today was it's kind of mean to us. I think she's doing a prank on us.
She doesn't do pranks. She does, as a prank to her, she does throwing a knife at you. Well, she doesn't actually throw knives. She throws stuff. Actually, if you go on my channel and you watch one of the videos, it's like sister's throwing things. She was throwing things at me. It's not a very long video, but there's like 3 videos of it.
Well, this one is gonna be a video where we break her back.
Yeah, let's get her back. Okay, let's go.
I think she.
Scare her. She gets scared very easily and then she cries. Hello, people.
Like that.
Ah! Wait, did I get everything?
Wait, later.
I think I did.
Maybe we should do this. Like I said.
I was just filming my phone.
Can we leave now?
I can't.
Can we leave now? Hello.
Or bye, everybody.
Going downstairs. Well, don't go downstairs.
Bye, Evan.
Oh.
Bye, Evan.
Bye.
See you in a bit.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Bye.